Okay everyone, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. My name is Mike. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm super excited to share today's video with you all, as today will be a yoga calisthenics workout. So basically it's going to be exactly how it sounds. It's going to be yoga mixed with some calisthenics training and then combined into one. So I'm going to keep it around like 5 or 10 minutes or so it's not going to be too intense, but it's going to be a great exercise if you're a beginner to yoga or calisthenics. So when you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay guys, so let's begin today standing, and let's come to the top of our mats if we're not there already. And we're going to start off by doing 3 sun salutation A's. So if these are completely new to you, don't worry, I got you. So at the top of our mat, your feet can be together or hip width distance apart. And from here, when you're ready on your next inhale, let's bring our hands up towards the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank. And from here, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat, elbows hug in, hips stay elevated. And on your next inhale, come up into a baby cobra, keeping the gaze down, no wrinkles in the neck here. And exhale, shift it back to downward facing dog. Make sure to breathe. Waking up the back of the legs here. Make sure to keep your fingers spread wide. Hands are actively pushing into the mat. And on your next inhale, come up onto the tiptoes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart and by your sides. Great job, you guys. So we got 2 more rounds of that. When you're ready on your next inhale, here we go. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe. On your next inhale, come up onto the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart and by your sides. Got 1 more round. Here we go. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat, elbows hug in. Inhale, baby cobra, gaze down. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe. Just warming up the body here. On your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart and by your sides. Great job, everyone. So we're going to keep it going. We're going to start to do some high intensity salutations. So it's kind of basically like what we just did, but mix in some calisthenics training. So it's going to be super fun, I promise. So let's come to the top of our mats once again, and I'll explain as we go here. So here we go. Let's inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank. And from here we got 10 push-ups. Here we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, everyone. From here, lower the knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe here. And then on your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward. Step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides, and right away we got 10 squats. Bringing your feet as wide as the mat. Here we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, everyone. So that was a high intensity or HIIT sun salutation is what I like to call them. So we got 2 more rounds of that. You should start to feel your heart rate go up a little bit. So let's keep it going here. Keep the heat on. Here we go. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands. Step it back to plank. Here we go. 10 push-ups. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower knees, chest, chin to the mat, elbows hug in. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe. On your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward. Step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides, here we go. 10 squats when you're ready. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, you guys. Got 1 more round of that. Let's waste no time. Let's get back at it. Here we go. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands. Step it back to plank. 10 push-ups. 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe. On your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward. Step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides, here we go. 10 squats when you're ready. Seven, 8, 9, 10. Great job, you guys. Almost done here, but let's finish strong. So let's come to the top of our mat once again. Here we go. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands. Step it back to plank. From here, we're going to move from plank to downward dog. And then we're going to do this 10 times. So in plank, let's just shift it back to downward facing dog. Shift it to plank. Downward dog. Make sure to breathe. Plank. So that's 2. So we got 8 more times. So inhale, shift it back to down dog. Exhale, plank. Inhale, down dog. Exhale, plank. It's 4. 5. Inhale, down dog. Exhale, plank. 7. Inhale. Exhale. 8. 2 more times. And 1 more time. Awesome job, you guys. From here, let's make our way onto our backs. Coming into our last little exercise here. So basically, we just got 30 seconds of bicycles. So bringing opposite knee to opposite elbow and then alternating. So 30 seconds, go as fast or as slow as you like here. It all burns the same, so here we go. Make sure to breathe. Halfway. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job, you guys. That wraps up our yoga calisthenics workout today. Feel free to take a little shavasana here, lying flat on your back, taking up some space, letting the body reap all the benefits of this little workout. Now from here, feel free to stay here, or if you want, you can rock up into a seated position of your choice. And wherever you are, let's bring our hands together at our heart. Thank you all so much for sharing your time and your energy with me today. If you like this yoga calisthenics workout, be sure to let me know in the comments below. I already plan on making a lot more of these, so I would love to hear your feedback. And if you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. That really supports the channel. And from here, let's bring our hands up to the third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.